Hey, today we have episode 8 on our series on Industrial Edge for Machine Tools. Welcome! This time we are looking at using image data to monitor the tool wear in your machine tool. Here, right at the machine, we have Analyze My Workpiece tool check, and we are using the Manage My AI cloud service directly from the Edge app via MindSphere. Together, these two applications form the infrastructure for AI-based model training and visual analysis. I can use this combination to identify workpieces, to detect anomalies, to monitor the tool wear, and a whole lot more. We'll look a bit closer at the question of tool wear. Using Analyze My Workpiece tool check and a camera inside the machine, you can gather training data and training images during or between the production processes. You can call up Analyze My Workpiece tool check either via the app or automatically via the NC program. Training images are uploaded from the Edge app to Manage My AI in MindSphere in order to train the monitoring AI model. As soon as the model is ready, it can be installed on the relevant Edge app again via MindSphere. The more often you do this, the better your monitoring model will be, and more importantly, the smarter Analyze My Workpiece tool check will operate. You will receive a notification in case of an anomaly is detected. That means you can identify wear at an early stage and replace the tool.